In this tutorial we are going to have a look at the BSM show control software in combination with the BSM Control 1 hardware. To use the BSM Control 1 hardware we have to add a device in the show control software, and we have to set up a UDP connection for the device. To change the IP address of a Control 1 box, we can launch the Control 1 configurator and we can scan for devices. So if the Control 1 box is already in the local network and in the same IP subnet, you will find it here in the Control 1 configurator, and you can change the IP address and port settings here. If it's not in the same subnet, you have to connect through RS-232 to the box. So you can connect your computer to the Control 1 RS-232 input number 1 and scan for devices, and then you will also be able to change all the settings of Control 1, and you can also update the firmware when you are connected through RS-232. So, but for this box all the settings are fine. We can already use it. We set up the IP address here and press apply. So we are connected now. Now we can add one of the channel types of Control 1, for example at the DMX channel, digital channel, servo channel, PWM channel, analog channel, common channel, audio, color, or RS-232 channel. I'm going to add a digital channel because we have the webcam looking at the back of the Control 1 to the digital channels, and in the digital channel I can set up a device address. So 1 would be the output number 1, and we see LED on output number 1 is now blinking. If I change this to, for example, 8, we see LED number 8 is now on. So to make it easy, you can also create digital channels, multiple digital channels, for example here. And for this tutorial we are going to add 8 digital channels, and BSM show control software creates us the 8 digital channels and does the correct output assignment here. And to make programming easy, we are going to use our keyboard recorder to record. Oh, that's the wrong one. We want a keyboard recorder. For example, we want to have one key for each digital output for recording. So we create a keyboard recorder for channel 1. Then we need another keyboard recorder with, we use the same punch-in key. And we want to have F for channel 2, and we want to have G for channel 3, and all the channels will have the same punch in and punch out key. So when we press A, all the channel will start recording, and when we press S, all the channels will stop recording. If we want to have separate punch out and punch in keys for the different channels, you would have to assign different keys here. And we want to have H for channel 4, and we want to have G for channel 5, and we want to have K for channel 6, and L for channel 7 and for example P for channel 8. So, and we are going to record only 20 seconds and then we jump back to time 0. Okay, so we have set up all our recorders, and now I'm going to expand all that we can see, and I'm going to hide the recording groups, then we can see most of the channels. Then we can scale them a little bit. Okay, I press play, then I press punch in. All the channels are recording. I press D for first. Now I press all the keys we have assigned a little bit faster. So, and this was the punch out. So we can have a look on our programming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little bit faster. Okay, so this is how you can program digital outputs.